We have all been there. You're watching a video or about to call an Uber, and then 1%. The screen goes black. You are stranded. Think about it. We have supercomputers in our pockets and robots driving on Mars. So tell me why do our batteries still suck? Why do they take forever to charge and die so fast? The answer is hidden inside the chemistry. And the fix? It's not liquid, it's solid. Let's open the sketchbook. Okay, let's simplify this. Inside your phone battery, tiny particles called ions have to travel from one side to the other to create power. Right now, in lithium-ion batteries, they swim through a liquid. Imagine a messy, crowded swimming pool. The ions struggle to move through this thick chemical soup. It's slow, it creates friction, and friction creates heat. If the pool leaks or gets pierced, fire. But the future is solid state. Imagine we drain that messy pool and build a solid, super smooth bridge instead. Now the ions don't have to swim, they can sprint across the bridge. No liquid means no leaking, no overheating, and because they pack more energy in a smaller space, they are incredibly powerful. This isn't just theory. The biggest giants on Earth are building this right now. Let's talk about electric vehicles. Right now, everyone is scared of range anxiety, running out of power in the middle of nowhere. Enter Toyota. Toyota is testing a solid-state battery that aims for a staggering 1,200 kilometers, or 745 miles on a single charge. That's like driving from London to Berlin without stopping. And charging? 10 minutes. Grab a coffee, come back, and your car is full. It's not just them. Volkswagen has partnered with QuantumScape to build the million-mile battery that basically never degrades. And for us phone users, Samsung SDI is preparing to mass-produce these for smartphones by 2027. Imagine your phone lasting 3 days on a single charge. That changes everything. So why can't I buy one today? 2 words: manufacturing and money. Making these in a lab is easy. Making millions of them cheaply is a nightmare. The solid material is brittle, like trying to make a flexible sheet of glass that doesn't crack inside your pocket. Right now, they are expensive, but remember, the first flat-screen TV cost $15,000. Now they are cheap. The price will come down. Until then, here is a question for you. If a Pro Max Ultra phone comes out next year with a solid-state battery that lasts a whole week, but it is twice as thick as your current phone, would you buy it? Or do you prefer a slim phone that dies every day? Thick and powerful, or thin and weak? Vote in the comments. Technology moves fast. Today's magic is tomorrow's normal. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe to Eureka Village. I'm Leo. Catch you on the next page of the sketchbook. Stay curious.